be. Kapoy na kaayo. I've been studying all night, pero murag dili Japon ko kasabot. Ay, maybe dili dyan ni para sa ako ah.
Sometimes, we reach a point where we just want to give up. But maybe, the hardest moments are the ones that test how much we really want our dreams.
Morning, ma'am. So, the exam results are out. Last week sa midterms ninyo. So, okay, class. Remember that grades doesn't define your worth. Okay? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so first, Talukos Chris Ann. Juris.
Salamat Tidor, the perfect tidak ako ni STS. Kani ako ko dagkit ko na score ko. Ilo dagko ko mo. Mo aja kini mo kay PTE. Mo april.
Ko ni disibin ako over.
Inanak need ba sa mag-study guys. Mo aja. Okay na Jul ba, you tried your best naman.
Guys, naunsa mo?
Ang score ni Julie kay.
Wala ka man, hindi ka score dyan, no?
Sige lang, Jul.
Dili man ta perfect food.
Yes.
Basta gikapoy lang ka ba? Tayo na.
Yes, come in. Yes, gang. Kana mag-drop out mo ka?
Ay ma'am, kanang pila ko dili na ako kaya ma'am. Pila ko dili ni para sa mga marks.
Dili sa ko ni i-approve ang imo drop out. Kay hatagan sa tikag 4 to 5 days na mag-think.
Ma'am, makaya ka na po?
Yes, ga. Makaya na nimo. Kung unsa may problema nga, imo nga karon, makaya na nimo sulban kung magpadayon na ka sa imong pag-eskwela. Kay dili na hadlang ang problema sa.
As she walked out the door, a quiet hope began to bloom within her. Her friends were right there, waiting for her, and at that moment, she realized she wasn't alone in this fight. She didn't need to be perfect. She just needed to keep going. Because sometimes, that's all it takes. One step, one choice, and one more try.
Batani, wala man siguro yung buhat. Naog ko no diya. Tabangi ko dire.
Si Julie Marte.
Ano ninyo?
Ano ka na mag-study raw kami ni Julie ba?
Julie mo classmate oh, mag-study daw mo.
Ma!
Sige school, wag dapat padungan, may pagtabangan niyo ng papatos trabaho ni mo dito. Kaya tabo daw, wala kayo buhat.
Hindi naman guys. Ano ba? Nagsabi dito na dito. Tabangan dito na dito. Yes. Maabot ng mga book.
Pagpunta ka sa eskwela bata ka, wag ako kay maagtungan anak. Kung kamutaba na kadto dis balay or dito.
Magkano nagyoyo na mabog ka?
Mga bata rin ka na nasan niya mga classmate dira.
Kung saan mo diri lang?
Ay pa, mga kasmate.
Oh.
Hapon ko.
Ang hapon po din niyo.
Mag-group study ang tami, pero ba magkaya si mama pa, naulaw ko. Muli naman gyapon ni sila. Muli naman naman ko.
Ay, maguli lang. Pag diya na lang mo, pag study na mo diya.
Okay, sige ko. Salamat.
Jolie may have felt alone, but she never really was. Behind her were friends who never stopped believing in her through failures, breakdowns, and long nights of doubt. Her friends didn't come to remind her of what she failed. They came to remind her of what she's still capable of. because sometimes one choice to keep going begins with the people who never stop believing in you. At home, her mother and father may not always say it, but their love was in every meal, every late night worry, and every quiet glance of pride. She knew deep down they believed in her too. That night, she made her choice, not because life became easy, but because she remembered why she started, for her family and to prove to herself that she could.
I tried to recognize someone for her perseverance and improvement. The most improved student award goes to
As she walked to the stage, she remembered those nights when she almost chose to stop, when she thought giving up would help ease her mother's burden, when she believed her dreams weren't worth her parents' sacrifices. But now, she realized the best way to help them was to keep going. The same girl who once held a dropout letter, now holding an award that proved she didn't give up. She felt peace. The pain, the doubt, the fear, they are all gone. Because she knew one choice to keep going changed everything.
Yay!